Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Without further ado, let's jump into the project. I bought this Dell Latitude E7250 from eBay for parts not working condition. It came with Intel Core i7 5600 CPU and 8 gigs of RAM. However, it came with broken Palmrest, few scratches and missing hard drive. So I bought a used but good condition Palmrest mini serial ATA hard drive and a charger from eBay. So let's take it apart. Well, this looks like corrosion from a liquid spill, but no liquid damage on the board. If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments down below. I also found damaged webcam wires. It looks like someone opened this before and pinched these wires while trying to put the screws back in. So I soldered all 5 wires and secured them with heat shrink tubes. Then I put back the laptop with new parts and installed Windows 10 behind the camera. And finally, I spent total of $140 to refurbish this laptop, and similar laptops are priced over $350 at Amazon at the time that I'm making this video. So I saved over $200 by doing this by myself. So this is it for this video. All the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, share, subscribe, comment down below. I will see you next time.